Alright guys, so last time I checked in, I was doing the rear main seal. I finished all that up and the motor and transmission are in the truck for good. I had to fill a couple holes in the frame because they were close to where the person before me mounted the Saginaw transmission. So I got that all mounted up. I got the headers from a 6.2 Camaro, my dad's, so those were free. I went to the junkyard today and got a tensioner, and I got alternator bracket, power steering bracket, and all the bolts that go with that. And then so now I have to bolt on the oil pressure delete. I also have the oil cooler delete I'm going to put on, and then I think I'm going to run my steam vent that's right here. I'm going to take it to the water pump. The goal is to put those plates in, tap this water pump. There's a part number for that. It's just a NPT to barb fitting. That way you can just run that little steam line to it. I think it'll look cleaner. So yeah, we're gonna went ahead, cover my bit in some grease. Hopefully it catches the metal shavings, and we're gonna drill this now. Alright guys, halfway there. See, I have no shavings. Every time I drill, I'm just dipping it back in my grease. That way it sticks to this bit and the shavings aren't gonna go down in the water pump. Yeah, I could blow it out, I have it right here, but if it was on your motor per se, this would be a good way to keep it out of your motor if you're drilling a tap in a head, etc. See what I mean by it sticks to it? Alright, it's drilled, no shavings. Now we'll put our tap on, tap it in there slowly, and then thread in our pipe fitting. You guys, look at all the metal shavings just by putting the grease on the tap. Alright, the water pump's back installed. You do the first pass at 11 foot-pounds, and then the second pass is at 22 foot-pounds. So yeah, that's all put in. Like I said, I need to get a new fitting. I'm probably going to go with a straight or a 45 fitting, but MPT to, I guess I got to figure out what diameter that hose I'm going to be running. Alright, so coils installed. I cleaned them up from the junkyard. I'm just going to put them on. I was going to put the headers on, but I'm going to wait till I get plugs tomorrow because it'll be easier to do it with it. Well, slight setback. One of the header bolts is broken off in there, so I gotta pull the motor out so I can get to it and drill it out. So that's today. Alright, so I use the screw extractor set. There it is, right there. Alright, headers are on, motor's back in. Now I'm gonna put the sensor in the back. I got the rear sensor in, the pressure sensor in, put the valve pin on. So that's pretty much it, guys. I won't pick up the water steam vent until I think Tuesday. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty stoked with the progress. I gotta put the bolts in the valley pan still. I just kind of set it there. For some reason my gasket set didn't give me the knock, the bottom of the valley pan, the knock sensor boot to the bottom. So also a lot of people say to put sealant around when you put the new knock sensors in. To protect water from getting down in there, so I'll probably end up doing that. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Consider subscribing. We're putting out new content. Work on the Bronco hopefully soon, my brother's Camaro, and the 65. So thanks guys.